MarketLine's industry data is a consolidation of a huge catalogue of data files in easy-to-access Excel workbooks. They are available under Industry Data on the navigation bar, or via the Browse by Content Type button on the MarketLine Advantage homepage. Each data file consists of industry data for 50 countries and 6 regions, including Asia Pacific, North and South America, Western and Eastern Europe, and the Middle East. The industry data can be downloaded very easily using Excel. Once open, you'll have all the data available to you in both raw format as well as in a visual chart. With the data available in Excel, users can quickly integrate MarketLine's industry data into their own work. Users can analyse the industry data with the built-in charts, or simply copy the raw data into their own workbooks, charting tools, or statistical packages. MarketLine's data files enable easy comparison of data across multiple countries and industries, allow users to quickly understand market growth trends, compare metrics across geographies, and make evaluations alongside macroeconomic data series such as GDP and population. They provide data on twice as many countries as available through MarketLine's industry profiles. They also provide additional historical data and forecasts for segments where we have it. If you would like more information about these reports, please speak to your librarian or information manager, or get in touch with us directly at reachus@marketline.com.